What dog? What dog? What you gonna do? What you gonna do when I play with you? Did you have a good day at the beach? Yeah. Are you stuck in? No. No out. No, I'm not opening that door because you're still wet and you're not. You can't go in there. You found a dead seagull at the beach, didn't you? And now you had a bath. Well, what do you want to do while you're stuck inside? Huh? Huh? Can you go get me your Mr. Chicken? You gonna have to do what I say? No. You won't even stay out of a dead seagull. Ouch. Bad dog. I do like having you here, though. And you are wet.